guys, your friends over here at 3mtstickers.com. Today we're going to show you how to install a die cut sticker. Basically what a die cut sticker is a sticker with your image, your lettering, whatever the case may be, that you send to us and gets cut out and sent to you. Whenever we send you your image, it gets sent on transfer tape and it looks exactly like this. Basically whenever you do the install, you're just going to peel the transfer tape off of the paper backing. You take it to your door or whatever surface that you're installing on. Make sure you get yourself level. Kind of put the transfer tape on the door like so, just to hold it in place. Take your credit card or any other flat plastic that's sticky. You're going to peel off the transfer tape like so. Make sure it peels slowly. And there you have it.